Technology, the before and the now, has generated important changes in the world. An unstoppable process at exorbitant speeds, which delivers in a range of opportunities for those who welcome themselves quickly and willing to change, connecting those that are far away, but only you have the power to prevent this tool dominating your environment. Thanks to endless social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, among others, you can find those who someday you thought you would never have contact from again, including entering a world that allows you to interact with new people and cultures. Besides having the responsibility to find a job or create your own brand, these are some of the infinities of things that you can develop in social networks. So what are you waiting for? Just take one step. Advance, the world awaits you. Don't go back. Update yourself. Life is full of trials and errors. If you fall back, then lift yourself. You can learn on your own or find someone to help in your learning process, but open your mind. Motivate yourself to make your life simpler in a world that is advancing in leaps and bounds. You always have to remember that change is positive and negative. As you do so, allow time to invest in yourself, in giving solutions to different problems. Be a good builder and do not harm others. You have the ability to approach those who are far away, but you must also keep the control of not alienating those near you.